Hi, my name is Gaba. I'm the author of The Law of Sobriety. I also am a CBS radio host, and I worked as a psychotherapist on Celebrity Rehab with Dr. Drew Pinsky, and I have a private practice in Westlake Village.
Well, welcome. We're glad to have you at the symposium, and I wanted to ask a question.
Sure.
Could you please let me know, what do you feel are some of the barriers for women in treatment?
Often I see, it's related to family. Now with the economic downturn, it's really hard for them to take off work. I think part of the issue is, again, denial, not really thinking they have an issue. They think that they're still sort of maybe drinking heavily, but they don't feel they're going into alcohol abuse or alcohol addiction. They know their life is starting to spin out of control, but they're not really responding to the fact that they really have crossed the line into alcoholism. So denial is a huge factor. But again, family, leaving the kids, not getting the support. If they're a single mother, who's going to take care of the kids? So those are some of the issues, absolutely.
Also, what do you feel is the role that technology plays now in the way that you're able to treat your clients?
As we discussed earlier, I'm really passionate about the fact that there are many individuals today that are getting on the internet and they're taking advantage of a lot of people that really need to be seeing therapists and recovery professionals. People like you at Betty Ford, people like me that are licensed professionals that have worked in addiction. I took the Betty Ford resident and training program. People like us that really know addiction and have been working in the field for years and are licensed. There are people out there that call themselves life coaches that don't have any certifications. They call themselves shamans, energy healers, all sorts of woo-woo people, spiritual masters. Not to say that there aren't some really special healers out there, but what they're doing is they're sort of professing that they can heal you or work with you in areas like trauma and suicide and depression and addiction, and they don't know a thing about it, and it's really scary. I've even had nutritionists say that they do therapy. I've had clients say that I'm going to just work with my shaman. And again, it's not to minimize other healers, but I think you need to understand that therapists, and this is all because of online, because there's so much access now to working with these other healers online. So just know that when you see a therapist, you're working with someone that has way over 3,000 to 5,000 hours of professional training. When you're working with a healer, they may not have any training at all. So again, just be careful. I think that is the result of technology today.